Hello, entrepreneurs and service professionals. Are you tired of the endless back and forth emails, phone calls, and DMs just to schedule one client? What if you could have a system that is going to work for you 24/7, allowing clients to see your availability, book your services, and even pay you online, all automatically? In the next 6 minutes, I'm gonna walk you through the entire setup process of getting like a Wix account and formatting the app to taking your first test booking. We are going to use a real world example, a freelance yoga instructor named Chloe who offers both group classes and one-on-one private session. Let's get our business automated. Here we are in the UX editor for our website. This could be like for any page. As you can see here, it says, graphic designer or art director, but I'm going to change this for a yoga. So, once you have your website pretty much ready, what you want to do in here is we want to add the booking functionality. On the left-hand menu, I just want you to find the apps menu, as you can see in here. So I'm just going to click on it. I want you to search for Wix bookings in the search bar. Okay, so just click on it, click on Wix bookings. And I want you to click on add to site. Now it's going to take probably a few minutes or maybe a couple of minutes to kind of work out all of the layout and the functionality and make it personal to our website. And now it has basically done its magic, guys. As you can see, it has added all of the necessary pages and elements. Here you can see the book online section that it has added. We can go back to the homepage by just going to add section or to pages menu, and we can just go to the side menu and click on home. And that's going to take us back. But as you can see here, now we have the projects, which is what we had before as well. The info, this also we had before. But we have two new sections, which are the book online section, as you can see here, and my booking section. This section is actually not visible for the user. It's only going to be visible for the login user, but not for the average or public user. But as you can see, it has automatically created a new book online page with our services, a detailed service page, a booking calendar, and all of the different things that we can do. Now, of course, guys, you have to modify this. You have to give it your own name, your own price, set up your own images. This is just completely generic, so you have to customize it. But yeah, it actually works. Now let's configure the basic. I just want you to go to this new menu that just opened that is called My Business. And this Wix booking is going to say in here, create your first service, set your work hours, and connect payment methods. So you have to follow exactly these steps, okay? We're going to create a service, and you can either select one of these templates or just start from scratch. I'm going to look for yoga instructor, and I'm going to select this one, okay? This little session in here. So yeah. Now you can modify the name, the image, everything pretty much. Okay, this is just like a basic template, but you can kind of modify it. I'm just gonna keep it like this, and I'm gonna click on save. Now you also have to set up your work hours. So again, open this menu here, and you can set up your schedule. Whenever you're ready, just click on save. And finally, but more importantly, you have to connect your payment methods, okay, in order to get paid online when they book a service. So you're going to have different payment methods, but I recommend that you kind of, allow PayPal and also credit and debit cards. These are the main two that you have to enable. You can, by the way, also modify the members area. This is when your clients are going to book and they're going to be given certain credentials. So you can go to customize settings page in here, and that's going to be the settings for your, client's account. And you can just modify anything to your personal liking. Okay. And there you have it, guys. Whenever you're ready to preview your site before going live and publishing, just click on this preview button in here. And that's going to take you to this sort of page where you can, do certain things, okay? So let's just go to the home section. And now if we go to the book online section, as you can see, we have the service that we added, right? It was called Weekend Vinyasa, okay? And this is 150 euros. We can click on it. And this is how it's going to look, okay? Based on the certain calendar that we actually check. And because you have connected several payment methods, your client is going to be able to pay either by PayPal or using a credit card. You can also check, by the way, the mobile phone by clicking in this little icon here, and that's going to look pretty good as well. So there you have it. This booking system is incredibly powerful and user-friendly tool for any service-based business. It's going to save you countless hours. And it's going to make the entire process very seamless because you can, add new services, remove services, and kind of modify your calendar and your scheduling in real time. So you don't need to hire a developer to do this kind of maintenance. Okay. So that's pretty much it, and I hope that you can use it. Thank you so much, guys.